Hey guys, if you hear the washing machine in the background, just pretend you don't. I'm gonna make this quick. Bad bitches know what DOB means. If you don't know what that means, fear not, because Bad Bitch Academy is recruiting. I'm gonna tell you right now, on BookTok, there's a trend called DOB, where you show your drink of the day, your book of the day, and your outfit of the day. That was wrong. Your drink of the day, your outfit of the day, and the book of the day. Okay, you get what I'm talking about? Basically, I started doing these videos on YouTube where I just show you a full week of everything that I wear. Well, not everything that I wear, but my outfit of the day, okay? My ootd, if you will, as well as my drink and book of the day. So that's what this video is. Really quick, really simple. There's not much else to say. Let's just get into it. I waited so long to actually drink this cherry latte because I was filming the clips you just saw. So I'm really excited about drinking this finally. Happy Tuesday. Happy Tuesday, day one of the DOB, the first DOB of the week. I am, of course, drinking a cherry iced latte, which just came to me yesterday. I thought I really want to drink that. I've never made it before. Here we are. It's bombastic. Great summer drink. Highly recommend. I did have frozen cherries, so I just microwaved those. Unfortunately, they did explode in my microwave, so I had to clean that, but it didn't take that long, so it's okay. Today is very much the only day this week where I will be at home all day. So why did I start the video now? I don't know, because the outfit isn't really spectacular in any way. I'm wearing this camo tank top from Brandy Melville and my Juicy Couture sweatpants. I do have the matching top for it as well, like the hoodie, but it's kind of hot. But unfortunately, I did not want to sweat my balls off today. Therefore, I'm not wearing the hoodie, and I am wearing my Primark fake Ugg slippers, leopard print Fugs, as my mom likes to call them. Yeah. I'm also reading Such Quiet Girls. I think we started that together in a video, and I have an hour left in the book. One thing about me this week, I need to make time to read because I have a very busy week. Friday, I have no woo, sorry. I do have a very busy week this week where I'm like not really probably going to read, but I am not accepting that. I'm telling you now, I have to make this announcement at the beginning of the week that I need to make the time to read this week. So anyway, I only have an hour left in this. Hopefully I can finish that today. It is about a group of kids on a school bus type thing, and they get abducted, as well as their bus driver. And we're following a bunch of different POVs from one of the kids on the bus driver, one of the kidnappers, and one of the mothers of the kids who were kidnapped. It's pretty good, but it's also a little bit, I don't know, like it's not that great. It's fine, but it's not anything riveting so far, but it could get better. That's on my Tuesday updates. I'm going to spend all day today editing the Paris vlog, which is probably going to take me 200 years. I have yet to start, and I'm supposed to upload in 3 days. Cool. We'll see how that goes. But yeah, I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow.
My chick got famous just from being around me. Manifested this, I painted it right in front of her. I used to put me out, painted back in double. But I get in my thoughts, I'm inside paranoid. When I get in my thoughts, I'm outside paranoid. Then you attracted to the autumn.
Hey, happy Thursday. I've seen better days. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. So I did forget to talk to you yesterday. Sorry about that. Happy Thursday. I just got back from work. So today, honestly, it was a bit of a lazy girl outfit. Like I just didn't feel like putting in the work, putting in any effort. I got up really early to go to work, so I didn't really have a lot of time this morning, and I was just kind of trying to be comfy. So let me run you through the outfit real quick. I'm wearing this McLaren t-shirt from Hollister. I have my little shorts on, like my little undershorts, whatever. They are from Pennies / Primark, and my camo shorts, which I love. They're honestly one of my favorite pieces. I wear them all the time. They're from Urban Outfitters, also pretty recent, same as the McLaren tee. This is also still, both of these things are like recent collections, so if you're interested. Obviously not spawns. I made a, what do you call this? Like a salted vanilla matcha, but honestly tastes bad. I think I added too much salt and I'm not loving life right now. It's okay, but it's very salty. I think Millie would love this because she loves salt. Anyway, I did start The Fix by Mia Sheridan yesterday, so I'm only 40 pages in. I don't know that much just yet. We are following Cami, who is a teenager. She comes home from a party, thinks, oh, all is well in my world. Wrong. There is a home invasion. Her mom, her sister, and herself all basically fall victim to this home invasion. Really intense stuff. Check the trigger warnings. Not nice to read about. That is as far as I've gotten from what I understand of the book. Later on, she will also get sent these videos of a little boy who seems familiar to her, and then she has to save him, but she doesn't really know who he is or where the videos are coming from. That's my understanding. So that sounds really good. That sounds really good to me. I'm sticking to the thrillers this week, I think. I mean, we might still switch it up, but this is already the second thriller that we're reading. And yeah, I don't have time to read this week. I like reading thrillers. They're kind of like my comfort zone. They're easy for me to read, which is kind of like, that's not good. Whatever. They're digestible for some reason. So let's not get into it. I have a shit ton of editing to do right now, so I'm going to sit down and do that, and then hopefully I can make some time to read this. I should also wash my hair. Do I do it now or do I do it tomorrow morning? Let me ponder that for a second. And yeah, that is my Thursday update. Yo, it's Friday. Yes, it's also my last shift of the week. Yes, I'm feeling pretty bombastic, although I am awaiting a closing shift, which, like, I really don't want to. The Friday evening shift during the summer, it's just the worst. Like, there's nothing worse except maybe one on a Saturday. So I am glad that I'm not working tomorrow. I made my favorite god tier coffee of all time, a date infused milk iced latte. I talk about this in every single DOB video. It's just the best coffee. Super simple. You add dates, you add a cinnamon stick. I like to add date syrup as well, all to my milk. Let that sit overnight. That's it. That's literally it. So exciting. I want to make a second one, and I can if I want to. But look how fast I'm drinking it. Not good. I'm still reading The Fix. I will continue to read The Fix for a while, because did I read a single page yesterday? No. Instead, I went to bed at 8 p.m. Okay. I don't even know what to say. To you guys. I think instead of editing right now, I should be reading. So that's what I'm going to do. Do not tell any of my subscribers. Oh wait, you guys are Bestieville. We're in Bestieville right now. Yeah, sorry about that, but I want to read. Okay? Sue me. I want to be a booktuber. Okay, that's a song. Oh fuck, I didn't talk about my outfit. My capri jeans are Urban Outfitters. I just got them on sale for €18. Life is good. This top is Hollister. It's actually McLaren car on it, which, hey, goated. That's it. Today's outfit's very basic, but I'm wearing it in a 2000s sitcom kind of a way. The girls that get it will get it. The girls that don't will think I have no sense of style. That is okay. Either way, life is worth living, for it is a Friday. I'm going to see you in the next clip. Wow! I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to like and subscribe. I could really use it. Also, final thoughts on the fix, because I never mentioned it. I hated it until the end. Then I ended up binging the rest of the book in one sitting, like at night, as in I had to go to bed, I had to get up early the next day, but I could not put the book down type shit. And it was so good. I think that book is more made to binge. It's not necessarily a bingeable book, but when you do binge it, it like really is just, yeah, it's really good. It's really genius. Although I'm not gonna lie, I forgot what it's about. Okay. But I recommend I give it 4 stars. That's all I have to say right now. Okay, see you next week. Bye.